Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you how to increase your Google Drive storage using a free and legal method. If we need more storage beyond the free 15 gigabytes, we usually have to purchase an additional plan from Google. Don't worry, we're here to help you easily get more storage and manage everything from a single account. First, we need to create additional Google accounts to get extra storage. In our case, we aim to create 75 gigabytes of storage by using 5 Gmail accounts. We'll use this email as our primary account, while the other accounts will be used solely to expand our storage. Now, open the Google Drive for each of the other email accounts. Then, create folders named Account 1, Account 2, Account 3, and Account 4 in each respective Google Drive. Also, make sure to give full access permissions to your primary email account. Click on Share icon. Now add your primary email address. Allow full access. Now click on Send button. Repeat the same steps for the other Google Drive accounts. You can see all the folders we created from the other accounts under the Shared with Me section in your primary account. Now, let's upload a file to the Account 1 folder. Now, we can see the file uploaded to the Account 1 folder, but the storage is being used from my primary account. Let's fix this issue. Click on Share icon. Click on Editor Permission in the Account 1 email. Then, click on Transfer Ownership. And click Send Invitation button. Then click Done. Now, you can see that the storage used by our primary account has been reset to 0. Repeat the same steps for the folders in the other accounts as well. This tutorial shows a free, legal method to increase your available Google Drive storage by using multiple accounts. It isn't truly unlimited, but it can significantly expand your space. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.